Hello, hello, hello. Hey, how are you doing? It's Els coming to you from Beema's Crafty Corner, and I have something new today. Um, a friend of mine turned me on to it, and it's like this place where I can go, and it's once a month, where they have like a flea market, and there's a lady there that has all of this old craft stuff. So I went to check it out, and I found all of this. So let's see what we got. So we'll start here. So, hey man, I'm throwing my stuff on the floor. All right, so the first thing I got were these. These are Tim Coffee birthday scrap kits. 6 flat 8.5 by 8.5 papers, some grand adhesions, and some clearly yours. So you get some stickers and some letters and 6 pieces of paper. Kind of cool. All right, so I got some of those. What else did we find? I got this from Michael's. They're wood stickers. They're like little banners with the letter O on them. They had these little tags. These are from Michael's as well. They're like little fabric tags. Some more fabric tags. And then they had this little thing right here. Again, that's from Michael's, an embellishment pack. And then they had these. So this one is burlap and this one is cork. And then they had this one and this one. These are like a beach scene, and this one's like letter numbers. And this one, which I had to get because it had like a car and a motorcycle and Route 66 and had a stoplight, and it had this plane, and I thought that was really cool, so I had to get those. And I got this here, which is from Colorblock, Me and My Big Ideas. And this is so girly. It's called Princess. I guess that's a tiara. That's cute, so I got that. And they had this Cuddle Bug from Provo Craft embossing folder, which was kind of neat, so I grabbed that. Then they had this, which is page titles, sweet, 4 accents. I don't know what they're about. That one just says sweet, but those are cool. And they had a couple of packs of these letters, and they're rub-ons. So I got those. And then they had a bunch of these. They're called clothespins from Studio 18. And those are really cute. And they're just little, altered clothespins. So I grabbed some of those. And some more of those Michael's wood letters. These are ends. And some canvas, some white canvas stickers. Got those. They had some of these things hanging around, and they had a B and a K, and I got to find 2 people I know with B and K. Then they had this one called Fresh Tags from EK Success. It's just kind of cute. It's a little celebrate tag. It's very adorable. Let's see. And they had this little rub on here. This one was Christmas, and then they had some Studio K stuff. So I grabbed these because they were kind of cute. I liked them, so I grabbed those. And they had this one playing in the snow, and this one about Christmas. What else did we get? Okay, so then I found these, and they had a bunch of these. So I got the barbecue one and the spring one, and then this fresh flowers one and the camping one, because I thought, it's this kind of year, that time of year, so I grabbed those. And then I found this. This is called Botanical Bliss, glitter on every piece. And this is from Amscan. So I grabbed that. She threw these in the bag. These are parts and pieces from Memory Makers. These are all little pieces from Memory Makers. So she threw these in. It's kind of pretty. So she threw those in, so I grabbed those. And then there was this stuff. There was these little cards and some tags that say happy birthday, and then these little letters that say, I guess it spells out lullaby, and this trim right here. And then there was this stuff which was Christmassy, but I thought I could put this in the shop. So I got 56 pieces in that one. It's brand new. I got 35 pieces in this one. Again, it's brand new. This is from Me and My Big Ideas. And then they had 2 of these Elements by Creativity paper pads for Christmas. So figured, I'll put them in the shop. Somebody will want those for next year. And then they had some paper pads, and I went through, and this one is I'd Rather Be Crafting by Lori Whitlock. And it doesn't really look like there's anything missing out of it. But that's kind of cool. It looks like cork. So I grabbed that pad, you know, because these are $3 at Tuesday morning. And then they had this one, which is the Prima, and this is Spring Farmhouse, Frank Garcia journaling note cards. Let's do that the other way. And it doesn't look like anybody really took anything out of there. Maybe one, but not really. But there's supposed to be 45 in here, 3 sheets each, 15 designs. And the backs all look the same, but the fronts are all different. So I thought that was cool. And then I went over to Savers, and I got some mailing labels, some address labels, which you guys know I use these, so I got a big old box of those. I did find some papers for Miss Amy to put in the dye vat. And I found this, Fun Employed, the interview game of actual jobs and absurd qualifications. So this is a game. Not exactly sure how it's played. I'm sure there's instructions someplace, but, you know, my family likes to do a game night, so that's kind of cool. We found that. And I found this, and I had to get it because my kids, my boys, both of them, they absolutely love hot sauce. And I saw this, and I just thought it was funny as heck. So I bought this. This is 2 refillable Sriracha to-go bottles. They're brand new, and they clip onto things. So they're little, like, Sriracha squeeze bottles. I'm going to open this up. If you don't know what Sriracha sauce is, you're obviously not from the West Coast. But I thought, how cute is that? You know, they can put a little Sriracha sauce in there and close it up and take it with them. You just carry it along and open it up and squeeze their Sriracha sauce. So I got those for my boys because I thought they'd think that was funny. So I grabbed those, and that's all I got. That's it, guys. So here's the deal. I hit 500 subscribers. I did. I got 500 subscribers. Actually, I got 501 subscribers. So I'm going to go ahead and give away some of my stuff, and I'm going to be announcing that live drawing here in the next day or so. So do watch for that drawing. I'm going to make sure that everybody's entries get put in. If you have not gotten your entries in, unfortunately, it is too late. I will not accept any entries after today. I'm going to make sure that I get everybody's tickets in for those that have answered up until now. And then I'm going to do a drawing, and I'm going to give away some of my stuff. I'm going to give away some stuff, Harry? Yeah, I know. Some of the stuff that's on the desk, so you can't come up here and lay, huh? All right. So do me a favor if you haven't done so already. Please hit that subscribe button. And then like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends, because I got Sriracha sauce to go and all of this stuff. And, you know, we'll see. They said it's a regular thing. They do it every month or so. So I'll go from now on and see if she's there. If she's there, then, you know, I'll buy some neat stuff. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.